Hey guys, I am here in my bathroom. I'm going to show you how great and effective this vacuum beard trimmer is. I'm going to trim my beard. The bathroom sink has been freshly cleaned. If there is beard hair all over the place, my wife is going to kill me, and that is why I bought this thing and have been using it for the last year. Let me really quickly show you. Oops. Totally clean. No hair whatsoever. Okay, so now I'm gonna put you here, camera mounted right there, tripod, and show you how this works. So this has a reservoir right here where all the beard hair goes in. I just rinsed it out so it starts completely fresh. There's a trimmer, a guard up top. I set this to level 4 for my beard. It's kind of hard to see because I'm in the mirror. Let's just go ahead and do it. So, all right, here we go. All right, so as you can see, this thing, I don't know if it's gonna show up here, is very full of hair. There is some beard hair on my counter, but I'm gonna show you at the end of this how much would have been on the sink, which just causes so many problems for me. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna kind of do some of the trim edging stuff. I'm gonna pop this top part off. I'm gonna do it above my toilet so it goes in there and doesn't pull any hair out to kind of get extra. Set that down. Now I can do the little trim parts and like around my neck, and that also will go in here. Good. Now, without any editing or anything, I'm going to show you this. This is a full beard trim. This is all of the hair that is here. So there is some, but I want to show you this. Let me do this. I'm going to set some toilet paper down right here so I can catch this. This could go horribly wrong. Let me open, I'm doing this one-handed, this, and show you all of the hair that it captured and kept off of the counter and the floor. Okay, so huge improvement. Let me get that out of here. Now, for me, for the most part, what I can do, because it's really not that much hair, and let me clip this back on here, put that over there. What I can do for the most part now is, I'm doing this one-handed, so give me a break here, but honestly, do that, throw that in the toilet. Rinse this down the drain. Wipe it off, and with a couple stragglers, that's a huge difference from what you would normally be doing. Sorry, let me get back to here. What you would normally be doing where you are, if you have a beard, you trim, you know that this gets everywhere. There is beard hair normally all over the place. So anyway, this vacuum beard trimmer is a game changer. I use this every day. It is awesome. With this little guard, makes my life so much easier. Can't recommend this enough. My wife couldn't be happier. She honestly just doesn't notice it because I just clean that up one-handed in 30 seconds, done shaving. Check it out. Thanks for watching.